Hi, you're welcome back to the EconoSpace Project. It's almost July, nearly a year since I called a halt to progress. That point of departure was the point whereby I looked at the footings and thought, look a bit low. And given the predictions in terms of increased rainfall and so on and so forth, and the fact that the site is in quite a hollow, I thought, yeah, these need to be built up more. And indeed that proved to be the case. In October, before I left for Australia, we had severe rain and the stream on the western boundary spilled over, and we had about 4 to 6 inches of water over the footings. So that allowed me to accept the fact that I needed to bring in the machinery and to bring in stone fill. So I got the mini digger in about a month ago and 6 loads of sandstone from Arigna, which would be about 10 miles from here. Developed then 2 large hard stand areas to accept 2 conjoined EconoSpaces, which are part of the planning permission which I have here. Also took the opportunity of digging out 2 large ponds for future development for aquaculture, and leveled another area for an orchard and also for a polytunnel to help extend the growing season, so that the food production aspects of what's happening here are being developed in tandem with the sort of shelter making aspects. The present kitchen garden is producing food, but the polytunnel will allow us to extend that growing season over a sort of longer time. So where things stand now at the moment, the components that were made last year are now ready for use. The railway sleepers are being installed onto the hard stand, the floor structure being installed on top of those, and then the walls and the roof will proceed from there. So basically at the construction of the frame, and we're looking then at closing that in before the winter, when I'm going to return to Australia and do some more teaching down there. So that's the present state of affairs. I'll continue with the video clips and uploading them, and also looking at developing the EconoSpace course online, similar to the course in Sustainable Design and Construction, House Design and Construction, which I'm promoting now as an online course, because everybody has to look now at our journeys and traveling and the realities of all of that, so that you can actually follow the EconoSpace as a course online with written information, video information and so on, and the development of an online forum where people can actually connect up with each other and start sharing information. So you stay tuned in to all of that on the website, and yeah, keep tuned in. And if you have something to say about all of this, email me at livingarchitecture@aircom.net. Okay, take it easy. Bye. Try and turn this off now.